Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. This video I'm gonna show you that how you can resolve a problem. Problem is that when you're trying to creating your Apple ID and you may face issue that when you just enter the password, have a strong password and saying that you just have at least 8 characters. So just remind that Apple ID have a strong security, so you make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected before going to creating the Apple ID. And after that, if you entering the password not strong, make sure that it's a much strong. Just like that, you just have capital letters, and also make sure that you just enter that password which will not match with your phone number which you just enter for the verification, and also make sure that you just enter that password which will not match with your email address. Okay, after that you just have to enter your long password just like that. Harry, H must be capital HARRY, Harry, James, 111 5, just like that, long number 5 to 6 digits, and at the end of that password you just have to enter any sign just like that, at the rate, a dollar sign, a hashtag, just like that, and your Apple ID gonna accept your recommend password. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.